In front of me is XIAOMI 17T, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Apps over here. Now, you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Other Settings. When you're ready, click on Default Apps Available at the top. And then click on one of those sections you want to manage. For example, I want to change my browser, so I will click here on Browser section, tap on Firefox to apply it, and then go back. When I do that, as you can see, my changes were automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!